Hey everybody, it's Ryan here from Android Coliseum. I'm here to do a little bit of a quick unboxing of the Roku Premiere. This is one of their new streamers. This costs $50. This allows you for 4K and HDR processing. So depending on if your TV has that, then you can take advantage full of that, as well as the full advantage of all the Roku channels, which is really handy. I mean, when it comes to streaming, I think you really can't beat Roku out there right now for streaming. You cut cable or whatever you've done. This is the thing you're looking to. I don't care what people talk about those Amazon Fire Sticks, whatever. This is still the best. The one downside about it is that for the same price and the same as the other ones, they've kind of gotten rid of the point anywhere remote, the VHF that's only on the Roku streaming stick, and then the headphone jack on this is gone too. So it's just going to be a straight old infrared connector, and we'll go through it really quickly. So let's see. Got some little vinyl, I Heart Roku vinyl there if you want to put that on things. Laptop. We got a cable, short little cable if we need that. I got one sitting here on my monitor if I need to plug that in. Looks like a power cable. Batteries. Batteries. Come on out of there. Okay. There's some batteries. We have the Roku streaming stick itself. Little thingy there itself. And some double-sided tape so that if you wanted to put it on under something, it'll stick there. But again, you have to point the remote at that. And then we take a look at the Roku itself. Let's see. So yeah, there's no headphone jack on it. There's no microphones, no voice search as well. We have Netflix, just the Roku channel, which is a listing of a bunch of their channels they have, right? And then they have Google Play. I'm assuming that's for Google Play Movies. And then CBS. So it's always interesting to see what buttons they put in, and I still wish they could remap these buttons based on whatever you would like to do. But that is not the way it works. So to plug it in, we got a little AC adapter, a little wall wart, cable. I got far enough cable down there. All right, cable to plug it in. I wonder if I can just use got some cable sitting around here as always. Plug that in. Plug that in. You know what? And it's gonna go. I would imagine. The only thing is I don't have sound on this monitor. I just have the thing only there. But I could probably figure something else out. I could always plug it into my phone and listen to my phone that way. So that's one thing I can do. You can't do it on the remote anymore, but you could plug the app, your headphones into your phone, and the app on your phone would let you do that. There you go. Works super good. I'll set it up and I'll have a little bit of a review for you guys down the road. Okay, thanks so much.